Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to graft a rose, a different variety of rose onto my existing rose tree. So please follow me to the end. I'll show you step by step how to do it the easy way. Red spacey rose. So I'm going to show you how to graft this onto my yellow rose. First I'm gonna clean up this cyanwood rose. Clean up all the leaves that I got on here. Any thorn or anything, you should clean it up as well. So you don't poke your hand onto the thorn while you work on it. Okay. So technically you're gonna see the new buds coming up from this point here where you cut off the leaf. So yeah. Right now what I'm gonna need is to wrap up the cyan piece of rose. Let's see how we do this. Start wrapping this from the top. So just pull the stone out. Okay. So this good. Right. The next thing I need to do is to cut out this, the reshape of this grafting to my rootstock. Okay. I'm trying to get this flat again. That's very nice and flat. Okay, that's a V shape and flat. Cool. At this point, I just need to clean up a bit of the rootstocks so we can have room to putting the scion onto the rootstock. Clean this one. I'm gonna go ahead to split the rootstock into in the center so I can put in the scion attached together. When you insert the scion onto the rootstock, make sure you line up the cadmium layers between the two pieces. I have explained this in my previous video, how to graft cherry onto plum trees. Please check out my videos and you can see I have illustrated a bit of picture drawing to see how it show the cadmium layers and the bark and the piece center wood and stuff like that. Alright guys, just completing the weed grafting tactics, so we'll continue on with the bud grafting next section. The next step I will show you how to bud grafting rows onto the trees. So I'll show you step by step how to go about it. So you see in here is the buds that's gonna grow in your shoot. So I'm gonna cut off this bud of the piece, and I'm gonna stick it into the rose plant over here. Just a little bit of precaution here. They're using sharp knives. Make sure you don't cut your fingers with it. Just take extra care when you cut the branches like this. This is the cyan wood parts that I'm gonna cut it out to graft it on the rose plant. Just try to get the same size and same length. There you have it guys, bud grafting rows and weed grafting rows. So I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.